Well, hello, everyone. Ashanti Titus here with Profit Mode Financial Services. I hope that you are doing great. For all of the new viewers, hello and welcome. My name is Ashanti Titus. I am an MBA, and I've been an accountant since 2008. On this channel, we talk about everything money, and especially as it pertains to business owners. So, welcome to the channel. And I also wanted to let you know that this video is for informational and educational purposes only. So today we're going to talk about the difference between the Texas Comptroller and the Texas Secretary of State. So I recently had to take care of some items for a client of mine. I went to the Dallas Comptroller's office. And I got a chance to have an amazing conversation with one of the representatives there. And she was telling me, oh my gosh, she was overwhelmed. So many people are opening businesses and they have no idea how to maintain or keep their entity into play, to keep it going, to keep it active. And so she was telling me all of this, and she was saying that a lot of people are unaware of the Texas law when it's right on the website. And so one of the things I wanted to say, number one, is that state law and federal law are two different things. And she said she had people calling her about EIN numbers, and they only deal with taxpayer numbers at that particular office. Even your file number is dealt with at a different office. So I just wanted to get on here to explain the difference between the comptroller and the Secretary of State. So the comptroller essentially is pretty much the accountant for the state. You pay your franchise taxes, your sales tax filings, your franchise tax filings with the comptroller. If you owe any money or penalties or anything like that, they will be paid to the comptroller. And a lot of times they're the individuals that are going to enforce like the sales tax and everything of that nature. If you want to get your sales tax permit, you go to the comptroller. Okay. And let's see. So for the Secretary of State is where you actually register a brand new entity. So if you want to open a brand new LLC, if you want to know the status of an LLC, the Secretary of State is the place to go. If your business is ever forfeited to the point to where the charter is forfeited, then the Secretary of State would be the individual that you would pay to reinstate it. They are the entity where you create the entity and then where you reinstate the entity and where you can see the status of one. Okay, so that is something to definitely know, that these are two different departments. They're two different websites, and they represent two different things. Okay, so you have the comptroller and then the Secretary of State. All right. Okay. And so another thing, so you actually get your taxpayer number comes from the comptroller. That's where you use your taxpayer number the most. And that's where, it's issued from. Your Secretary of State, the filing number is the number that is issued to you when you open your entity. Okay. And then your web file number is given to you by the comptroller, and that allows you to file your franchise taxes, and then also your is used to file your sales tax, to create an account to file your sales tax. And I can probably do some more videos kind of going through those individually. I just kind of wanted to talk about the difference between the Secretary of State versus the comptroller. So the comptroller is dealing with the money, and the taxes, and then the Secretary of State is where you go to start an entity or to close an entity out or to reinstate an entity. That's the Secretary of State in the state of Texas. Okay, so the state of Texas, that's mainly the area that I focus on, right? All right, so if you found this video helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and share. We are trying to reach as many Texans as we possibly can that are business owners, to educate them and to give them guide points along the way and pointers to make their entrepreneurship journey a little bit easier. And now, if you need any assistance or any help, or you want a consultation to kind of figure some things out, definitely click the link below, and someone else will reach out to you to set up a consultation with me. Consultations start at $80 an hour, where we can kind of go over strategy. We can go over outlining things for your business, tax planning, you name it, we got you covered. All right. And until next time, stay profitable and stay great. Bye.